Hi everybody, this is for CR number 6, question number 3, helper video. So hopefully at the end of this, you will be able to solve this one-step equation. It says solve negative 4x, and I'm going to go ahead and write it down here, equals 3/4. Okay, first thing you have to do is don't get nervous about the fraction. Fractions are our friends, don't worry about it. We still need to do the same process, which is what operation is going on between the 4 and the x. Remember, if there is nothing between this coefficient, which is the number in front of the variable, and the variable, that automatically means multiplication. I'm going to put a dot in there just to remind you. So now what you have to remember is this. When I have multiplication going on in my one-step equation, I have to do the opposite. What is the opposite of multiplication? Well, it's division. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to divide both sides by whatever is in front of the variable. Because remember, my whole point is to get the x by itself. If I divide one side by negative 4, I have to divide the other. These negative 4s will cancel out as a fancy form of 1, which is exactly what I want. Because negative divided by negative is a positive, and 4 divided by 4 is just 1. And isn't that what I want? 1x, which is awesome. Okay, this over here, though, looks like a mess. Now, if you want, you can put it in your calculator as 3/4 divided by negative 4. But remember, you can also write it out. If we have 3/4 divided by negative 4, first thing I do is I make this into a fraction by putting it over 1. I then skip, flip, multiply. I know some people learn that. Some people learn, like, I think keep, change, flip. I don't know. There's all these different methods. And then all I do is multiply these fractions straight across. A positive times a negative is a negative. 3 times 1 is 3. And then 4 times 4 is 16. And where did I get that negative? Because this is a 4 times that negative 4. And a positive times a negative is a negative. It doesn't matter where you put the negative sign. And there it is. Letter B is my answer. Good luck.